thing that really sort of keeps me up at night about the equation. Pure energy, like a photon, is very, very different from you and I. And one of the ways that it's very different is that it travels at the speed of light. A photon does not exist standing still ever in any part of the universe. A photon is always traveling at the speed of light. That's sort of the definition of its existence. And one of the amazing laws that Einstein found was that when you travel close to the speed of light, as you approach that speed, time, according to your measurements of it, your sense of time, slows down more and more. If you're going half the speed of light, your time slows down quite noticeably. If you're going at the speed of light, time ceases to exist. To a photon, to the light that's actually, the light that's bouncing off my face right now, the reason you can see me is the light interacting with me and coming to your eyes. That light does not experience time, and it did not experience the distance between the camera and my face. To a beam of light, the universe is a single point of space and time. It's almost as if to a beam of light, the universe never expanded. All points of space and time collapse into one thing. And yet here we are as matter interacting with light. We have time, we have space, we are moving through time and space. I am made of pure energy, and in a way I'm made of things that don't experience space and time in a very basic sense. And then something happens, and all of a sudden there is gravity, there is time, there is matter, there is mass. What actually is that transition? What makes something massless, timeless? No idea that there's a separation in space between objects. That blows my mind. How am I simultaneously energy and matter at the same time? And I think that once we really understand this, we're going to be in for some very difficult truths to accept. It may be that there is no space or time as we know it really. Everything that we know of as space and time is some kind of a projection, some kind of a way of viewing this single thing, this singularity that is the universe. If that's true, all points of space and time exist at once. What about my past and my future are all there according to a beam of light? If we really understand this, we may actually be sort of knocking at the door of what reality is. And right now, I have to say, we have no idea what the nature of reality itself is. Maybe this will help us get a clue.